Hey, Sensei 111 here, coming from the upstate. Wanted to do a freight harbor tool review on a new acquisition, the Pittsburgh Mechanics roller seat with drawers. Probably everyone who works on cars to any extent gets tired of kneeling on hard concrete, and probably everyone has these little three-wheeled, four-wheeled round cushion slide-arounds that you wear out every 5 years, and I'm no exception. And I saw this in a coupon ad. It's regular $64.99, and the coupon was for $49.99. Holds 350 pounds for you hefty fellows like myself. And I looked at it in the store, liked what I saw. It has 3 drawers, and it's fairly easy to put together. You just have to put on the side flaps and casters, and that's about it. Drawers and seat are come assembled, and here it is. I've already used it. Did some medium duty suspension work on it. Came in quite handy. I'm running out of room in my toolbox, and I keep, that little round stool doesn't have much room for tools, and they don't stay in there. This one has 3 nice drawers. You can put your most needed tools in, and I don't have them full by any means. These are magnetic trays that fold up, and there's a little snap that holds them up out of the way for storage, and you have a nice little tool rack for most needed tools. So I find myself making fewer trips back to the toolbox, and I don't have to get up and down all the time. And the seat's quite comfortable, rolls quite well, even over rough surfaces. I highly recommend this item, and I haven't seen anything comparable to it on the market. There may be, but not for $50. Pretty sure of that. That's all I got. Thanks.